Just at HQ right now. This is our HQ. Oh! Sorry about that, guys. Being attacked by this here little fella. You can't see him, and I don't want to get any closer, but trust me. That is a poisonous, deadly spider there, right there. Now that is one of the things I have to deal with being a safari, whatever, is the deadly animals. This is our poacher trap. Now, I demonstrate how it works, but it won't be pretty. Guys, I can't believe I'm seeing this. Oh my god. Look at it go. We gotta creep up on it so it doesn't see us or hear us. Okay. I really can't believe what I'm seeing right now. Oh no, guys. I think he spotted us. We gotta stay still. Guys, don't make a sound. I think it's going the other way. Nah, oh god, it seems to be feeding. I think it is trying to catch some food. What the f is that? Did it just kill? Did it just make a kill? Right, I'm going to try and get a closer look without being his next meal. We got to creep slowly, guys. Creep slowly, very slowly. Now, not only do we have snow leopards in our safari, we also have a lot of other big cats, but they're sleeping right now. You got to catch them. I just heard something run past me. But we also have salamanders in our lake. Now, these aren't the typical salamanders that you might be used to seeing. These are miniature ones. Half the size, twice as deadly. Now, when you're trying to catch a salamander, also known as a newt, you have to be very patient. Very, very patient. I've managed to catch a newt. It's just a little net right here. Look. I won't keep it hostage for too long. I will let it go back to the pond. There you go. Beautiful bit of wildlife over there. Lovely, look at that.